Hello superstars, to make 2000 naira today is what I'm going to teach you in this particular video. Okay, so the name of this platform is called Naira Workers. As you can see, many of these tasks, there are so much tasks to do on Naira Workers. Before I go into this video, I want to scale you through the registration. So I'm going to be leaving the link to Naira Workers in the description box. So check out the link in the description box. So once you click on my link, it's going to bring you to this panel in the create account section. Okay, this is how the create account section is. So what you just have to do is to fill in your name, each and everything. So once you have finished, you sign up. So I'm going to be creating another account. I already created it, and then I'm going to log in into this account right now. This is a new account I'm using for reference in this video. Okay, so I have already logged in. So what I'm going to do is to sign in to Naira Workers. Naira Workers is trusted and it is only for Nigerians. Irrespective of your age, you can join Naira Workers and start earning money from it. So then once you are registered, what you have to do is to verify your email in this button where it says verify your email. So what you just have to do is to verify your email, and once you verify your email, it unlocks more tasks for you. Now what we are going to do now is to see our available jobs. You can also refer people to Naira Workers using your link, and you are going to get paid some commission. So these are the available jobs on Naira Workers. As you can see, we have 7.20 naira. The more you go, the more you find jobs which are highly paid. As you can see, this one has 45.40 naira, and as you can see, the more you go, the more you find more expensive job. As you can see, this one has 100 naira, this one has 250 naira. So at your own spare time or leisure time as a student, or anybody as a work from home person, or as a parent, you can just come into this and start performing tasks. As you can see, this other one is quite expensive. It is paying 210 naira for this one. So what you just have to do is to register. My link is to register on Naira Workers is in the description box. So just click on my link to come over to Naira Workers and perform tasks. This is Naira Workers and it is eligible irrespective of your age. Even though you are a student, you can come in onto Naira tasks and start performing tasks in order to get paid. And if you want to go over to your wallet or you want to withdraw your earnings, it is literally easy. What you just have to do is to click on this part, just to click on this three icon right there. So once you click on the three icon, it's going to bring you with this sub link. So what you just have to do is to click on your wallet if you want to withdraw your earnings. And then as you can see, what you just have to do is you can transfer your earnings or you can withdraw earnings, but I don't have any earnings on this, so I can't withdraw. As you can see, the minimum withdrawal on this is 1,919. So what you just have to do is to come here and start performing many tasks. Merely come here in the morning so that you can see a whole lot of tasks. Okay, so come here, start performing tasks in order to get it. Please, if this video helped you, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and give this video a thumbs up if you are returning subscribers. Do you have any comments? Leave it down in the comment section. If you have reached this point in time in this video, please, this is a secret code you're going to be leaving in this comment.
302 is a secret code. So if you have reached to this extent, just leave a comment 302.
And I'll catch you up in my next video. Peace out.